Hey there, this is Sam from GHL SaasKits, and in this video, I am going to show you how you can add your preview domain working fully with GHL Code Snippets library. Okay, so let me show you the example. Okay, first of all, so here you can see I have built a page and I also added the custom domain. And let me generate the code. Okay, so let's say, for example, I'm going to use this smooth image light box. Let me preview this first. Okay, so here you can see once I click any of the image, it actually show me the full view of the specific image. Okay, so this code actually do this. Okay, so let me generate the code. Okay, here. First of all, we need to add the CSS selector. Let me do this real quick for all of those images. Okay. Okay, I just added it, and then let me select the domain that I actually want to use for this course snippets. Okay, so let's say for this domain, I'm going to use GHL SaasKits. Okay, so this is my custom domain. Okay, so let me copy the code, go back to the GHL page editor and add the code. Okay, so let me do this. Okay. Okay, so I just added the code, and now if I publish the page, then this code will work only this specific domain. Okay, the GHL SaasKits.com, as I already selected this domain here. Okay, let me preview this so that you can see if it's working. So let me scroll down. Yeah, is it? So it's perfectly working on this domain. Okay, but if I click preview, and the page actually open into the app.GoHighLevel.com and your location URL, I think. Okay? So if we click these images, you can see these are not working. So this is actually the issues now. So when you add your custom domain, then the preview actually not work. So how you will fix this issue? First of all, you need to add your preview domain. Okay? So it can be the GoHighLevel.com if you're using the GoHighLevel native preview system, but in case if you have the custom domain, white label domain added into your GoHighLevel agency, then you need to add that specific domain. Okay, so for example, I have this white label domain app.GHLMax.com. So if I want to use this domain as my preview domain, okay, then I need to add this domain here by clicking this add domain. But in case I want to use the GoHighLevel default domain as my preview domain, then I also need to add this. So you can see I already have added both of them. So let me show you how you can generate the code for this now. Okay, so as we already have added the domain, let me go back here, and then let's say I do not have added any custom domain. Okay. And I am working on the page, and I am going to see my changes into the preview, okay, by clicking this preview button, okay, this little preview button. So to do this, you need to generate the code for the preview domain. Okay, so you can see here, in this case, I selected GoHighLevel.com. Copy the code, go back, open this, okay. So here, so now, once I publish this page and I view the preview page, okay, then it will work. Well, the code will work. I can show you just in a moment. So, that you can see here, this preview domain, okay, I have the app.GoHighLevel.com, okay, as my domain, as my preview domain. Okay, so the code is perfectly working. So if you're using the preview domain and you do not have any custom domain added for that specific page, then all you just need to select your preview domain and generate all the code you need, okay, for that specific page. And once you've done and added your custom domain, you can change the domain inside our domain management system. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, here, once you land on this domain management page, then you will see the change domain option. Okay, you can see here is the button, change domain. Just click on it and then select the custom domain. So let me select this custom domain for this example, GHL and click generate code. Okay, once you click the generate code, it will give you the domain block code. Okay, so just copy this and then open the code, okay, inside your page editor. And you can see here we have the constant which actually lock the domain. All you just need to remove that and replace with the new domain key. Okay, so just save it and then publish. Okay, and once published, then visit the custom domain and the code will work. So the benefit is you don't need to set the entire code once again. Okay, so all you just need to replace the domain key. Okay, and then your code will be worked properly. You don't need to make any other changes into your code snippets. Okay, so I think this will help you a lot because now you can switch between your preview domain or your live domain, your custom domain. Okay, and you can change this by using this feature. Okay, so it's pretty simple and straightforward. Okay, so I think it will be helpful for all of our users, like one who actually having issues to preview domain as well as the custom domain. Okay, so thanks a lot for watching this video. Have a nice day.